Tay, and I'm back with another video. Today is Thursday the 21st. I had to think about it, sorry. But yeah, I want to come back and make another video for y'all. You know, keep these videos rolling in. If you haven't, go ahead and check out my last video. It's a vlog, my first vlog, my very first vlog. And make sure you guys check that out. I will be giving you all mini tutorial today. This is something I want to start on my channel. It's called a mini tutorial. So it will be a specific tutorial on one thing. If you want different tutorials, to request different mini tutorials, feel free in the comments below. Today's going to be an eyebrow tutorial. Like, for example, if y'all want to look, let's say, my go-to nude lipstick, what will I pair it with? Like, what would I do for eyeshadow, eyebrows, foundation, routine, all of that. Anything to keep this channel going, anything I want to see, please comment down below. But let's go ahead and get right into the video of how I do my eyebrows. Alright, first I start off by wiping my eyebrows off, just in case there's like buildup of oil or any type of makeup up there. I want to make sure there's nothing on these eyebrows, so I literally just go through and wipe them off. After that, I just brush them to my desired look. Everything I'm using in this video, with all the prices together, is under $5, or right at $5. So I just took my regular brown. I normally use medium brown or dark brown eyeliner pencil, and I like to sharpen it like really sharp. Not too sharp, but sharp enough, because if you make it too sharp, it will literally break on you sometimes if you don't know what you're doing. Me. Start underneath like this. That's how I want the bottom. And for the top, most of the time I start here, right where it arches at. And ladies, you should be able to tell where your arch starts. If you don't have an arch, just take it where, okay, lift your eyebrow up and just take it right there where the hair literally gets either thinner or the shape of the eyebrow changes. And I just connect that. But together it's so hard. All I need to know. I go to the top and I make the line around here. And as you can see, for me, over plucking my eyebrows, it's like less hair. It's like less hair. So what I do is I brush the hair up in the front, just like this. And wherever there are spaces on, I just do light strokes up. So I don't want it as dark as the end of the eyebrow. Let's see what I just do there. I had too much of the lines over and under the eyebrow, so I just wanted to make it, you know, a little bit neater. I could have did that with my concealer, but I chose to do it with the makeup wipe to make it much more natural. So I'm taking my LA Colors Concealer, not LA Girl. This is how it looks. It's really cheap. It's like $1.99 or $2. I got this from Family Dollar. I was in a rush one day and I needed a concealer, y'all, like really bad. And it's a Family Dollar around the corner from my house. And I was like, this is what I'm gonna have to use. Ended up finding my color. Ended up loving the concealer. So I don't have a specific brush. This is out of a palette from Forever 21 makeup brush set. The makeup brush set is my sister's, and I stole it a long time ago. And I use this little brush to
probably never solve it. But damn, I really love them. There's something between us, certain fire in our love. It's unreleasable, unbelievable. We're miserable apart, but together it's so hard. All I need to know, oh, all I need to know. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? My ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend.
My brush I use, I'm gonna take this beauty blender. It came in a set. It's really dirty, y'all. I've not cleaned it in like 3 days, but it came in 3 sets and like 3 different sizes, and I use a small one all the time to blend my eyebrow with. And what I'm doing is, yes, it says Cream of Nature, but I promise you it's only water in here, you all. I used all of this Cream of Nature stuff up maybe like 3 months ago, and I just pat and blend this concealer.
Boyfriend be my next boyfriend. My ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend.
Wait.
How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend?
I need
I need to know.
Hey, you guys, I showed y'all how to go from an eyebrow that looks like this. What is that? To this, nice and snatched, ladies. Yes, if you follow the tips and tricks and tutorial of this video, you can get your eyebrow like this too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know if more videos you guys would like to see. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all.